of India, the main character's wife.
Yeah.
That it seems to me that that character is very two-dimensional. It didn't get into her inside. It's just a character there, for it's just like a puppy. So it doesn't get too deep into his personality. And secondary, you talk about Syria heritage, okay, and this type of identity would it be too exclusive? So, but in a nation building, actually, doesn't we want to have a more like a inclusive identity?
I think that